Welcome to the Async Coding Interview series by Paul Fruitful. In this season, we'll be focusing on data structures. Grab your popcorn and stay tuned. Good day, everyone. Welcome to another episode of the Async Coding Interview Data Structure series. So, in this episode, we'll be looking at the implementation of this linear data structure called stack. So, stay tuned. Okay, so in this implementation, we'll be using pseudo codes like in the last implementations in this series. So I tried to make the implementation of stacks pretty straightforward. So we'll be using an array to store the collection. So let's run through the pseudo code. First, we create a class for the stack object, and then in the add construct method, that's when the stack class is instantiated. This is what happens. A stack collection is created, and that collection is normally an array. Then a length attribute is also given to it, and at initialization the length attribute is assigned the value of 0. So next we'll be looking at the three methods that make up a stack. Okay, so this is the push method. So if you use JavaScript, you might have seen this method. It's native to arrays have it, but in stack is what makes a stack function, because the push method is what adds new values into the stack collection. So let's run through the pseudocode. So first we create a method called push, and it takes an argument called value. So that value is the value we want to add into the stack collection. Then since the stack collection is an array, you can use the append method of that array and adding that value into the collection. Then we increase the length by 1. So next we look at the second method, which makes a stack is a stack. So this is the pull method. This is the major method of a stack. So what this method does is that it takes out the last node that was added into the stack. Remember, I said in the last episode that when I was introducing us to the stack, I said that the stack implements a principle called LIFO. The last in is the first out. So that's what this method does. When you call this method, it pops off the last node that was imputed into the stack. So, and then it decreases the length by 1. So we'll be looking at the implementation, the live implementation of the stack in actual programming languages like Python and JavaScript. Then I'll be leaving the links to those implementations on GitHub, and I'll drop them in the comment section. So just stay tuned. Okay, here is the JavaScript implementation of those pseudo code I just showed you of the stack. So you can see the push method, you can see the pull back method, you can see the constructor method. And let's test it out. So I added 3 elements into the stack. And so let's take it out. Node started there. Okay. You can see the 2 elements. So here you run the test the name of the instance of the stack class of the stack data structure. So just pull. When you type pull, it removes the last node that was imputed, which is 22. So it's working. So let's check out the Python implement. It does the same thing. So let's create a file that has an instance of this data structure. Dot push, push 34, s push 45, dot push again 23. Okay, so let's print out the current stack, dot stack, and let's run it right now. Python stack.py. Py was what I wrote. Oh, I made a mistake when I said I made a mistake in one spelling. Okay, I made a mistake in spelling the length attribute. Okay, so that should settle this error. Okay, so you can see that it's printed as the 3 nodes that was added. So when we run pull, the last node should be removed. Pull. Okay. Yeah, and the last node was removed, remaining that is the remaining 31 the stack. So this is just the live implement of the stack, and I'll be leaving the links to this implement. I will leave them in the description and also the comment section. You can work on it. You can even add more new features to this stack. There are more methods to put. You can put the find method. You can put different more things to it. So this is just basically what a stack should have to become a stack. So you can still practice it and practice more things and add more functions and methods to this implement. So I'll leave the links to this repo in the description and in the comment section. So thank you for watching the video and staying to the end. And if this is your first episode and you couldn't understand anything that went on here, I advise you to go back and watch the previous episode so you can understand what was done here better. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. I'll be leaving links to helpful resources to get you grounded in this concept. I will be releasing a video every Friday, so click the subscribe button and stay tuned. Peace.